Welcome to Global Catastrophes, the channel where we delve into the world's greatest disasters. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you won't miss our upcoming videos on disasters and phenomena that defy human understanding. And if you're passionate about this topic, give this video a like right now. In this video, we'll delve into the contradictions, fears, and uncertainties that still linger around COVID-19 and explore how this event has transformed people and their social lives. Over 3 years have passed since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, an event that shocked the entire world and continues to shape our daily lives. We have heard everything and its opposite. Conflicting information has fueled doubts and divisions, making it challenging for many to understand what really happened and how to face the future. The contradictions have been numerous, from the origins of the virus to its management and even the health and political responses. Experts themselves have often disagreed, leaving the population in a state of perpetual uncertainty. We have seen the world divide over issues like lockdowns, masks, vaccines. While some embraced the preventive measures, others considered them excessive or ineffective. Throughout history, humanity has faced numerous catastrophes: earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, devastating fires. But never before has an invisible threat paralyzed the entire world. It all started in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of 2019. A new coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2, made the jump from animals to humans. It is believed that the virus originated in wet markets, where live animals are sold under poor sanitary conditions. The first report spoke of a new type of pneumonia, but soon the situation spiraled out of control, with the virus spreading rapidly beyond China's borders. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Countries responded with a series of measures to try to contain the spread of the virus, including lockdowns, border closures, and travel restrictions. Italy was one of the first European countries to be severely affected, with the northern part of the country seeing hospitals overwhelmed by patients and the healthcare system collapsing. Italy was the first European country to experience a national lockdown, which started on March 9, 2020. The streets of cities were deserted, shops were closed, and daily life was turned upside down. The images of singing from balconies became symbols of Italian resilience and solidarity. However, the economic impact was devastating. Many businesses closed, millions of people lost their jobs, and the economy took a hard hit. Hotels, restaurants, and bars saw a dramatic drop in customers, and many were unable to survive the crisis. Social distancing became one of the key measures to prevent the spread of the virus. This also meant physical separation from loved ones. The elderly in nursing homes were isolated. Celebrations and other social events were canceled. Funerals where no one could be present, increasing the sense of isolation and loneliness among people. Many people opposed the restrictions, seeing them as a threat to their personal freedoms. One of the most vulnerable and significantly affected groups were children and adolescents. They had to face challenges and difficulties focusing on two crucial aspects: remote learning and social isolation. Isolation led to feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. For many children, school represents not only a place of learning, but also a source of emotional and social support. Movement restrictions limited the opportunities to engage in sports and other physical activities, which are important for the physical and mental health of young people. In Italy, the Green Pass became mandatory to access many public places, including restaurants, bars, cinemas, and gyms. For many, this measure sparked anger and frustration, as it was perceived as a violation of personal freedoms and an unjust imposition. Protests against the Green Pass erupted in several Italian cities. The discovery of COVID-19 vaccines marked a crucial moment in the fight against the pandemic. But with their distribution, the clash intensified. Many welcomed the opportunity to protect themselves from the virus, but just as many expressed doubts. It's understandable. The rapid development of the vaccines, uncertainties about long-term effects, and trust in health institutions were topics of discussion. Divisions in society became evident. What once united us, the solidarity expressed through songs and music from balconies, was lost. These differences of opinion, which initially were just legitimate doubts, turned into real conflicts. And at times they escalated into insults and discrimination towards those who thought differently. Like many others, we went through moments of uncertainty. We asked ourselves, how much can we really trust these vaccines? There were unanswered questions about their long-term safety, and that's why we decided to explore all available information. We read studies, listened to experts, and carefully analyzed the risks and benefits. This is our position, based on the information we found. COVID-19 changed our lives in unimaginable ways, causing us to lose trust in humanity and distancing us from social life. It was not a decision taken lightly. We wanted to ensure that every step was based on careful consideration. This is our personal experience, and our position is based on the information we have gathered. It is important that each of us can freely express our opinions and thoughts with respect. The COVID-19 pandemic marked an era of profound changes and unprecedented challenges, leaving a great disconnect among humanity. The mantra, "We'll get through this together," shifted to "every man for himself." As Oprah Winfrey said, "Step out of the story that holds you back. Step into the new story you are willing to create." This is the greatest challenge for each of us. Let us not be held back by divisions, but build together a new future based on mutual respect and information. We encourage everyone to stay informed, discuss with respect, and make informed decisions. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more important stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.